Alright, what's going on, guys? So, just a quick update on the 240SX drift build. I actually sold the car. It wasn't working out. The car had way too much rust that I was, looking to deal with, and it had other problems. The motor didn't run right, and it was too much for me. I was stressing too much over it, and it was a nightmare. I really wasn't looking to handle it, and it wasn't really worth it. I was gonna have so much money into the car, and by the time that happened, a shell swap. I found a couple shells. It was so hard to find one that wasn't all rusted and crappy and I don't know. So I sold the car, lost some money on it, that was expected, but now that one's out of my hair. So basically, after selling the car, I started looking for, good cars to build. Rust-free, had to be rust-free. Maybe a motor swap. I'd like a welded diff, maybe stripped interior, I don't know. Still kind of on the fence, but it's whatever I can get. But rust-free is the biggest thing, and then, something maybe a little more built, easier to drift. So yeah, that was the goal. And, I think I got pretty lucky. Right after I sold the car, a car came up for sale, and it was rust-free. Car advertised as a Florida car. Drove up here a couple years ago. Motor swap. Taken good care of. Needs paint. It was already whatever. But you know what? I'll let the video show you guys what's going on.